Gumagabi na pero lalong tumitindi dahil mga grand awards ang ipamimigay natin.
That's correct.
Lalong gumagandang FAMAS every year. Ang ibig sabihin lamang, ang institusyon talagang hindi kayang gibain. Lalo ang presidente na si President Art Padua talaga namang full support. Diba?
That's very true. That's very true.
Nasa main event na po tayo ng ating programa. We shall now present the awards for Best Supporting Actor and Best Supporting Actress.
There were only 2 actors who were able to win the PAMAS Hall of Fame for the Best Supporting Actor category, which means that each won the award 5 times. Could you imagine that?
5 times, my goodness.
To present the Best Supporting Actor and the Best Supporting Actress awards are for the Best Supporting Actor muna.
Okay, for the Best Supporting Actor, parang gusto kong ibigay sa yung privilege na tawagin itong ating mga presenters.
Well, unahin na natin ang big boss ng Solar Entertainment Corporation, the godfather of Solar Films, Mr. Wilson Tieng.
Mr. Wilson Tieng and ang aking napakagandang best friend, isang artista na talaga, sumisikat ang husto, Miss Eliza Rivera! Wow! And Mr. Wilson Tieng on stage, please.
The nominees for the Best Supporting Actor are Bayani Agbayani for Katas ng Saudi, Pablo Briones for Confessional, Mon Confiado for Faces of Love, Dingdong Dantes for Reciclo, and Christopher De Leon for Banal.
And the FAMAS trophy for Best Supporting Actor goes to...
Kanina natin bigyan. Okay. Best Supporting Actor.
Mon Confiado, Faces of Love.
Congratulations, Mr. Mon Confiado!
He's right here. Congratulations!
Gusto ko pong pasalamatan, siyempre, unang-una po lahat ang Panginoon nating Diyos. Ang FAMAS po, maraming salamat po sa pagpansin nyo sa akin sa 3 eksena sa Faces of Love na dinirect po ng national artist natin, Direk Eddie Romero. Marami pong salamat. Marami pong salamat sa aking producer, Direk Joey Romero and Vivian Romero. At ang co-director ng aming pelikula na si Direk Paolo Villaluna. At syempre, ang aking hearty, si Ines Veneracion. Marami pong salamat.